Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Summoning Sickness here, and today we are going to open 2 blister packs from Pokemon Sun and Moon. So let's see what's inside. So inside you get 2 Pikachu coins, very lovely, just some normal coins. Then you get 2 promo cards. First we have a Holo Litten, really nice, and the second card is Togedemaru, also holo. So yeah. Now let's go on to the boosters. Alright, for the first pack I give my brother the honor.
Okay, let's go.
So we are really excited because we never really bought like any Pokemon trading card game. So yeah, we're quite new to this. So let's see what we got.
Start off with the Fairy Energy, Corsola, Double Colorless Energy, Dragonair, Cosmog, Lillipup, Wingull, Snubble, a Caravana, a very nice Reverse Sandile, and our rare is Lantern.
Alright, second pack with Sun and Galeo on it. So let's see. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. Alright. So we start off with a Water Energy, Araquanid, I don't know, Professor Kukai. Sorry, the camera died, so new batteries, so let's go. So we got a Golbat, a Snubble, a Pharaoh, looking really nice. Oh, I see something shining back there. We got a Grubbin, Sparrow, whoa, and a Alolan Grimer. Whoa, we got a Reverse Butterfree, really nice. But now, let's see. Our first, holy shit, an Incineroar GX. Holy flippin' that is really cool. That art looks insane.
Very, very nice.
Holy.
Second booster and we've got a GX.
Alright, it's going really, really well.
So.
Holy, I did not really expect that. So let's continue. So let's get that out of the way.
Okay, a green energy card. Y, Dartrix, a Pokeball. We've got a Lalolan Rattata, a Sandile, Pikipek. We do have Sparrow, Fomantis. We have a Reverse Golduck.
Really cool.
And as our rare we have a Primarina. Very, very cool.
Alright. So, fourth pack. Let's go. Hopefully another GX card would be pretty damn insane. So, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Let's go. Alright, so first an Electric Energy, a Pokeball, a Hypno, a big Malasada, another Sparrow, another Alolan Grimer, a Rowlet, a Drowsy, a Cutiefly, whoa, a Reverse Crocodile, that's really cool. And for a rare we got a Cloyster.
Whoa,
really cool.
Very cool. So.
Four. Yeah.
Yes.
Alright.
We've got another energy. A Spinda. A Lima. A Pessimian, Litten, other one than the foil we got. We've got Torkoal, Young Goose, we've got Rowlet, Cosmog, we've got a Reverse Big Malasad, and we have a holy shit,
Lunala GX.
Lunala GX. Ooh, that's very, very cool. Very
really cool.
Indeed, very nice.
Alright, another GX. Pretty cool. So let's go on to the last booster for this video. So let's get that out of the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, another GX would be pretty damn amazing, but I think we have, or 2, so yeah. But we first got a Grass Energy, then we got a Rainbow Energy, a Charger Bug, a Rotom Dex, a Crabrawler, a Marini, an Alolan Diglett, pretty cool, a Dewpider, an Alolan Meowth, pretty cool. Whoa, we got another reverse Golduck, and our rare is a Masquerine. Alright, so that's basically it with these 2 beautiful GX cards. Really amazing.
Indeed.
So yeah.
Thanks for watching.
And we see you guys next time.